Hello and welcome back everybody to another tutorial on Tableau. This series of videos will help you take your skills from beginner to expert level in Tableau. So do not forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so that you are the first one to know when I upload any new video. In today's session, we will see how to use set actions in Tableau. Here I have all the regions shown as a button, and as I select any region from here, the chart will update to show percentage of sales in that particular region. Let's select central region. You will observe that the chart has updated and the red color is showing percentage of sales in central region. Similarly, we can select any region we are interested in and see the percentage of sales in that particular region. This has been achieved using set action. Let's jump in Tableau and see how do we do that. Here I am using the sample superstore dataset. First, we will create a 100% stacked bar chart that will show percentage of sales for different subcategories. Let's drag subcategory to row shelf, drag sales to column shelf. From the drop down, add a quick table calculation, percentage of total. To make it a 100% stacked bar chart, let's go to the drop down. From the compute using, select cell. As we are interested to see sales for a particular region, create a set from region field. Select the drop down and select create set. Select any one region and click on OK. Now drag this region set onto colors. Press on Ctrl and drag sum of sales onto labels. Let's change the color for these labels. Go to the label, go to font, and let's select white color. Now we are clearly able to see the labels on the bars. Interchange the position of in and out. Now last step is to create this type of buttons which will allow user to select any region. Create a new sheet. Let's name it region button. Drag region to column shelf. Also drag region to text under marks section. Now add a field in row shelf, average of 1, which will help to create a bar for each region present in our data. Drag the set that we have created using the region onto colors. Change the view from standard to entire view. Let's hide the headers to get a cleaner view. Untick show header. Remove the field labels. Now let's remove the header from here. Uncheck show header. Remove the grid lines that we are getting. So click on format. Go to format lines, and from here select none for all the field lines. Go to rows, select none for the grid lines. Now grid lines have been removed from this view. Let's also remove the tooltip. Remove everything from the tooltip section. Click on OK. Now create a new dashboard, and we will add these both sheets that we have created into the dashboard. Let's first select region. Remove the set from here. Now let's drag our second sheet below this one. Remove set from the dashboard. Hide the title region button. Let's adjust the size so that we have a better view. We will have to increase the size of these squares so that we are not getting any space between the regions. Let's go back to this sheet. Adjust the size. Let's go back to dashboard. Now as user selects any region from here, the charts needs to update for that particular region. For this, let's create a set action. Go to dashboard, click on actions. Let's add a set action. The source sheet will be our region button. Target set will be the region set. Let's select keep set values when the selection is cleared and click on OK. Now as we select any region from the button, the view is getting updated. The blue highlighted section shows percentage of sales in that particular region. Now we are pretty close to our final view. You will observe that as we select any region, other regions get grayed out and are not easily visible. To solve this problem, we will have to do an additional step. Go to this sheet, create a dummy field. Let's create a calculated field, name it dummy, and let's write dummy here. You can write anything in this field. Click on OK. Drag this dummy field onto details. Go back to the dashboard. This time we will add a filter action. So go to the dashboard, select actions and add a filter action from here. The source sheet will be the region button and the target sheet will be the same region button sheet. Click on select from here. Add a target filter. Let's select the dummy field that we have created. And for the target we will select any field and click on OK. Now you will observe that as we select any region, all the other regions are clearly visible and not grayed out. Now let's edit the colors. Let's select a light gray color for the regions that are not selected. So go back to this sheet, click on the drop down and edit colors. Drag it to light gray, click on OK. If you want, you can change this blue color. Let's select some other color for in. Let's select red and click on OK. Go back to the dashboard. Now you can do changes according to your preferences. Here we can hide the field label. Let's change the title. Give the title sales for different subcategories. Change the font to Camry. Click on bold. Click on italic. Change the font color to golden. Click on OK. You can even hide the axis, uncheck show header. So now we have a cleaner view that allows user to select any region, and the chart will update to give the percentage of sales in that particular region. Change the font color of these labels as they are not visible clearly on the gray section. Go to this sheet, click on labels. Let's select black. Now the percentages are clearly visible on the gray bars. Last, let's edit the tooltip. Let's remove this in and out from the tooltip and click on OK. So this is our final view that we have achieved using the set action. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I have posted the link of this workbook in the description below. Do not forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. See you in the next tutorial.